Hello again, everybody. Chip here with Chip's Tips and another video in my Pedal Quest series. Here we have the MUTRON Micro V. It's a clone of the famous classic MUTRON envelope filter. This kit came from General Guitar Gadgets. The kit came complete with high quality components and a pre-drilled enclosure. I made my own artwork here. I take a picture of the kind of the pedal that the clone is based on and then sort of reformat it to the enclosure that it's in. But anyway, so I've got it in here now. It has a high-low switch and the one big knob. It's awesome. It gives you that Jerry Garcia kind of wow, 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 wow sound in kind of a funky context. More of an AutoWah, like instead of really rocking the wah pedal with wah, waka, wah, waka, wah, waka, wah, you can just kind of have it on there, and just by using the dynamics of the playing, it's a perfect wah on every chord. Sometimes I'll put it in like the low setting, at a low setting. Imagine a wah pedal kind of all the way down, and it's like oh wah 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 wah, and I'm kind of holding out a little before I, maybe I'll reach down and turn it up, and now all of a sudden it's like wah 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 wah. So it's kind of nice to have that kind of putting a wet blanket on the sound on purpose, and until I really crank it, it might actually open wah 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 wah. Anyway, it's a really fun pedal. Let's check out some demos. It's like it's like I like listening to that. I'm not that good at pushing the pedal on the beat. I'm new to this looping stuff. But I mean, how do you even? Ooh, I might have been okay. Okay, we're gonna work with it. Here we go. So you all know the song, and this is not gonna be the greatest tone you've ever heard, but this is what the pedal does. And I sort of like to juice it a little extra for this song. For some reason, to me, that's how it sounds. Kind of a little, sounds pretty hard. We're gonna have to push into the effect a little bit here. So having this clean overdrive before the MUTRON just helps to heat up the effect and make those transistors do their thing. And I still just want a little bit of teeth on here. Alright, thanks for watching these demos of my MUTRON envelope clone. Like, share, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'll see you soon. Are we clear? Okay. One more time? Okay. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Bye.